How to create a poll on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a poll on Skype mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Skype and then click to any group you want, like this one or any conversation, and then click this plus icon and click this one, create poll, and here you need to type the question you want, and and here are the options, and then just click here, create a poll. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.